Now today what we will be doing is we will be studying write a program to reverse given digit. Means we are given a digit, let's say 345 is a digit and you have to reverse it. Means output should be 543. If a digit is 865, then answer should be 568. Means we're reversing. And again, we do not know that whether the user is going to enter one digit number or four-digit number, three-digit number, nothing. So again, you are not aware of any of this stuff. So for that purpose, what we will do is, again, we are going to take the help of while loop. Because we need to access individual elements. So let's say if my initial number, let me write it down here, is 345, and I divide it by 10 because I want last number. So it will be something like this, 34 and 340. I got my first number, 5. And next time what I will do is this will be updated number on which I would be again performing the operation. These are 30. And then I give 4. So I got my first number, second number, and after this, this will be again updated as my third number. And in the third iteration, I would be getting my basically third digit. Just this. So again, we are going to apply the while loop. The condition will be same, that inside it we have to give that while my number is greater than 0. Now we have to take the remainder. The remainder will play the role because we need all individual elements. So for that, I would be saying num percent 10. Now inside it, we have to have the reverse. Let's say reverse is initialized by 0, my initial reverse number. I have to now give some logic in this manner that each time the place values get intact as per the requirement. Because see, when we are working on this concept, the place values are getting different. If it is ones, tens, hundreds, now my position, 100 position element is now at ones position. So we have to work on that. Means if my first number is this now, after this, 2 more numbers are going to come. So we have to give some this type of logic that other 2 numbers are able to be decided over here. So for that, let's think of some logic that if my reverse is 0, and if we do something like, just I'm pseudo coding only on the go, we will check that if it's working or not. That reverse multiply by basically if I say reverse plus what I'm thinking is that reverse multiply by 10 plus remainder. If we give this thing, simply let's pseudo code it by doing the dry run. That my initially reverse is 0. So first time the value would be something like 0 plus 5. So after first iteration, my reverse will become 5, correct? Now, for the next iteration, I got 4. So if we try to do that, again in this expression, we put out the values. So it would be something like, let me write it down here, that reverse equal to, now reverse value is 5. So 5 multiplied by 10 plus remainder. Remainder is 4. So the answer became 54, which means I got my element in the second position, this one. Now reverse is what? 54. So if next time I will do this stuff, it would be something like this: 54 multiplied by 10 and plus my third remainder, which is 3. It is 543. So I got my reversed element. This was all about the dry run, that how my code is executing. Let's code it down now. My reverse is 0, while number should be greater than 0. We will fetch the remainder %10. Inside reverse, we will do what? That reverse multiply by 10 plus remainder. This is the main condition which is making our reverse digit. And then what we can do is we could simply go and update my number, num, writing. Now if I print reverse of given digit is, oh, we forgot to take the number as input. Let's give the same number, 345. What is the? Yeah, some typos, information. You give some another number, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is how it is working.